In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to see all the password, all the Wi-Fi password you connected to on your iPhone. Let's say you've connected to a lot of passwords and you want to check the Wi-Fi password one by one. I'm going to show you how to do that on your iPhone. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to settings on your iPhone. So let's go to settings. Let's go to settings. As you can see, we are now in the settings page. So what I want to do from here, I want to show you a very quick way to do this. If you check the search bar at the top, I want you to tap on that search bar, tap on it. Once you tap on it, I want you to tap on, I want you to type password into that place, password. So once you type password, it will show you password in the suggestions here. Under here, I want you to tap on passwords. Once you tap on passwords, it will load up another page for you. So on this page, what you want to do from here, you want to scroll down to the extreme bottom. So once you scroll down to the extreme bottom, you are going to see open passwords. You just want to tap on that open passwords. So once you tap on that open passwords, it's going to take you to this page. On this page, I want you to check very well. You are going to see Wi-Fi. So I want you to tap on that Wi-Fi. So once you tap on that Wi-Fi, it is going to show you all the Wi-Fi you have connected to before. So these are the Wi-Fi that I've connected to before. So if I want to check any of them, if I want to check any password for any Wi-Fi, I will just tap on the name of the Wi-Fi. Let's tap on this first one. Once you tap on it, it's going to take you to this final stage. On this page, what I want to do is very simple. You just want to tap on password. Once you tap on password just once, it will reveal the password for you. So guys, this is how you can actually check or see all the Wi-Fi password you have connected to before on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.